production, hosted by David Lear and AJ Out Loud.
3, 2, 1. What up, Team Hot Wheels? I'm David Lear. I'm AJ Out Loud. And today, we're going backyard bowling. Let's do this. Oh! All right, so we got tons of Hot Wheels cars.
Yeah.
We got our stunt box. We got our backyard bowling alley. Can we get a strike?
I think we can get it.
All right, let's find out. 3, 2, 1. Let's kick things up another notch. Let's try to get a strike with 3-foot tall inflatable pins. We just gotta blow them up first. Let's see how many Hot Wheels cars it takes to knock over a whole set of these. Our main track here, another 2 cars and a launcher there, and then a launcher here and another booster. Go down, pin! Oh my God! That's a strike! That is a strike! That is a strike! I think we can do one more giant trick. Grand finale. The launcher's gonna go to the booster, hit the mini pins. This launcher is gonna go to that booster and hit this set of pins. I'm on this launcher, go to the booster, knock down these pins. We'll go from this launcher to the booster and knock down these. At least that's the idea in theory. In 3, 2, 1. Oh, there's 2 pins remaining. Never give up, even though it might seem impossible. In the moments that you think you want to give up, that's when you gotta dig deep and you gotta find the strength. Give us your energy through the screen. Woo, here we go. 3, 2, 1. This has been the Impossible Trick bowling episode. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you next time. Peace!
A Hot Wheels production.